Hey again, what we did until now, it is amazing. Like someone could really easy post images and people see what he did post. So now I want to fix last part, which is showing user UID and showing image. So if you see every UID here will represent specific user here. So if I just go to that user, I could get the information for that user. So yes, it is good. It's good solution. So what I mean by that, I mean if I just go to the code, you see I have this listening code. So let me just copy it because I will reuse it. Okay, in the post. If you see here down up, I had a URL for that image, or I have the UID for that person. Let me just copy that code for reference here. Maybe it is showing too much, but I will remove what I don't need. So this part I don't need it. What node I'm listening on? I'm listening on node for now. Node name it users. Okay, that's good. And inside node users, I'm listening for the child. The child will be that I listening on will be having in the tweet will be user UID. So whatever user UID I have or person UID, I'm listening to it. That is good until now. So now this one will have information about that child or that child data. So now instead of doing hash map, I say it as a string because the value here is string. I will have two things. I have the information. If you just go here, any user, what have any user? Any user have the profile, image, and he have the email. You could do it as I told you. You could do it either ways. You could do it the direct way, or you could do it using hash map. But this one will give you first one is key and the second one is key. Whatever, anyway you see it, you are good with it. Just will go with it. So you say user info. Okay. So now I'm checking. I say, hey, if the key from here, I say if the key dot equal this key, which is, for example, what the key I have it like a profile image, that's mean I need to load the image. So if the profile image, that's mean load image from the URL. Else that mean username. That's mean the value of the username. So for the username, I will set in the tweet text. You see here. Wait a second. I said here username. I have it, which is represented by text username. I will just say hey. Instead setting the username here directory, okay, take it and replace it here with the value that you have it in this one. So whatever the value that you represent the username, because here I'm accessing for username. If it is image, that's mean no. I want to look for something about user profile, but user profile will be loaded in the image, so I want to use the Picasso library to load that one. So Picasso, hey Picasso, I want you to load the user info, which contains the URL in this case of the image. Load it and add it inside which one? If you just go to the tweet ticket, I say add it inside this image view, which name is image path. So going back here, I say hey, load it to me please to this one. Okay. Now he have to be able to do the process for me really easy. For any child, he listen for the username, password, get it done. But this one, I don't need to notify database here because I'm not using notify database for every user, single user. So yes, now I think I'm good to go. So let me just run and make sure if we are able to see the username and password, username and picture. Hopefully we will. And the good thing, as I told you here, when he load the image for first time, he don't need to reload it again for the second time, which is really amazing. Yes! See how he show you the name, picture, and email, and he say hi. If I just add again one more post, I say hey, let me select image from my images. I select for this nice new watch that I bought. So then I say I send. Hopefully he now sent the image correctly. Looking here, yes, he load the image. So now if I just make sure from my application, I would see my application did load it. Yes, he did. So seconds. So if I just see the watch, here you go, this is my watch, which is amazing. One thing you have to fix it in this game, you just to try to this, and don't allow people to add image while the image is processing. Just show them loading image and you'll fix the problem of this bug. So this is your homework, and thank you for watching. See you next.